A partial ordered relation can be represented by a diagram which is known as hash diagram. In this diagram, the elements of the set are represented by a small circle or quads. Any two comparable elements are joined by a line in such a way that if x less than equal to y, then x lies below y. There is no line between incomparable elements of the poset. There is no line between incomparable elements of the poset means if 2 and 3 are incomparable elements, then there is no line between 2 and 3. And x is related to y, then the position of x lies below y. There is no arrow between x and y. Now, there is no horizontal line in the poset. This type of representation is not allowed in the hash diagram. Here it is not clear that either x is related to y or y related to x. Here in the hash diagram, we represent the given relation. One element is related to other element by the level of the elements. X less than y means x below y. If y related to x, y less than equal to x, then we draw the diagram as the position of y below and the position of x is above. In this type of representation of poset is called hash diagram. It is a diagrammatic representation of a given poset. Now we give example how to draw hash diagram of a given poset. Let x is equal to 2, 3, 6, 12, 24, 36, 42, 72. We define a relation less than equal to on x as x less than equal to y means x divides y. Here, the relation less than equal to works as division, and consequently x less than equal to is a poset. We can check it forms a poset. Means less than equal to satisfying three properties: reflexive, antisymmetric, and transitive. Now we draw hash diagram. First we plot a point 2. Here 2 related to 3, neither 2 related to 3 nor 3 related to with a given relation, because 2 does not divide 3, 3 does not divide 2. This means that 2 and 3 are incomparable elements of this poset. Therefore, there is no line between 2 and 3. Next element 6. We see 2 divides 6. 2 divides 6. Therefore, the position of 6 is above 2. 6 and 3 also divide 6. Therefore, we draw a line between 3 and 6. The position of 6 is above 3. Next element is 12. We see here 6 divides 12. Means 12 is here. 12 is above 6. 2 divides 6. 6 divides 12. 2, therefore 2 also divides 12. But in the hash diagram we cannot draw an edge between 2 and 12. Transitivity here is not allowed. Next, 24. 12 divides 24. Therefore, we put 24 above 12. 6 also divides 24, but transitivity is not allowed in the hash diagram. Here it is clear that 6 divides 12, 12 divides 24. This means that 6 also divides 24. There is no special branch between 6 and 24. Next element is 36. 36, 24 does not divide 36. 36 does not divide 24. This means that 24 and 36 are also incomparable elements. Therefore, there is no line between 24 and 36. But 12 divides 36. We put 36 here and we draw the position of 36 above 12. Next element is 48. 36 neither divides 48. 48 neither divides 32. But 24 divides 42. Therefore, we draw a line between 24 and 42 and 42 above the 24. Next element is 72. 72, 48 does not divide 72. 72 does not divide 48. Therefore, 48 and 72 are incomparable elements. But 36 divides 72. Therefore, we connect 72 with 36 as. Now, here we see that 48 does not divide 72. Therefore, it is not a line between 24 and 36. But 24 also divides 24. 24 also divides 72. Therefore, we draw an arc between 24 and 72. This type of representation is called Hash diagram of x less than equal to, where less than equal to works as division. Now we take another example. If we take a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we define less than equal to on a as usual. As usual means less than equal to works less than equal to. Then clearly a less than equal to is a poset because it satisfies reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive property. In this situation we draw hash diagram. Then the diagram will be as it is 1. First element 1 is related to 2. 1 less than equal to. We are less than equal to work as it is, means less than equal to work less than equal. 1 less than equal to. This means that the position of 2 is above 1. 2 less than equal to 3. The position of 3 above 2. 4, 3 less than equal to 4. Therefore, the position of 4 is above 3. And next 5, 4 less than equal to 5. The position of 5 is above 4. Here we see it is a single vertical line. And this type of hash diagram will be possible in the case of chain or totally ordered set. We already know about chain. A poset in which every two elements are comparable are called chain. Every two elements, one related to 2. This means that 1 and 2 are comparable. 1 and 3 are also comparable. 2 and 4 are also comparable, and so on. Yani the hash diagram of a chain will be a single vertical line. We check whether a particular poset will be a chain or not. We can help with the help of hash diagram. If hash diagram of a poset will be single vertical line, then it will be chain. Otherwise, not. This is the hash diagram of the given poset A less than equal to. Thank you.